Of my goals was to go as far north in North America as I could on a road, and it seems like I have accomplished that. I must have, because this is right here is the sign. All right, I'm oiled up our chains at the side of the road here, Ken and I. Ken's been riding with me for 2 or 3 days. We may be doing this for a few more days. We're on the Alaska Highway. River. We are heading up to Beaver Creek today. We make a stop at Haines Junction. I've been to Haines Junction before, many years ago, and I've never been up past Haines Junction into Alaska. So this one, once we get to Haines Junction, it's all brand new for me. Come over the rise and get another view. Just had to stop beside the road, taking this beautiful scenery here. Glaciers up there, way over there, some glaciers. Beautiful green here. It's gorgeous. This way is just trees. Hear a jet overhead as well. Beautiful. In Haines Junction, Yukon. This is an interpretive center. Here's a big building, and it's all free. Beautiful. Say hi, Ken.
Oh, I can.
See?
But yeah, we'll be away for a couple weeks.
It's pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it is. Where's the "You Are Here" sign? Where are you going from here?
It's right here.
That's Haynes Junction right there? That's where we are right at this moment, in Haynes Junction. We're heading up to the USA. So that's just a little bit of this that's here, this absolutely huge building. It's very, very nice. The Haynes Junction is this area where I've been once before. I was on a bicycle trip and I took the ferry from Bellingham, Washington, 3-day ferry up to Haynes, Alaska. And I had my bicycle and my tent. And it was, you get allowed to set up the tent right on the ferry. So at the back deck, there's about 10 of us had tents set up there for 3 days. It was a marvelous experience there. And I hitched and I rode my bicycle from Haynes at the port up to Haynes Junction here, then up all the way up to Inuvik, Northwest Territories, where I was then started to ride my bicycle down. So I rode my bicycle for a whole
Head south
month.
on Yukon 1 west toward Pringle Street.
And that's my GPS speaking to me. So I headed all the way down from Inuvik for about 3,000 kilometers in 1 month. Dempster Highway was like 750 kilometers of gravel. It was quite the experience, quite the amount of bugs. And then I hurt my knee and ended up having to stop my trip. And it was in about Quinnell, Williams Lake area. My plan was to go from Inuvik all the way down to Tierra del Fuego in the southern tip of South America. But that's it. You're loving the scenery. You're loving it. Wow, the lake, beautifully calm today. Not sure how it usually is, but it's so beautiful and there's reflections and just these flats of nothing here into Alaska. The last 20 kilometers was a lot of loose gravel and it just catches the bike and Mousy flags of ours. Oh, right. Kenneth's taking a picture there. And this is the international boundary. Right in the center here. Canada. You can see they've cut a swath of trees down here. United States. And both. Of my goals was to go as far north in North America as I could on a road. And it seems like I have accomplished that. I must have, because this is right here is the sign. I did it. That's pretty cool. So not only is it the North Pole, but they have a gigantic Santa. They're not going to fit in that sleigh. And also they have Santa Claus house over here. So I have been traveling the last few days with a guy named Ken we met on the road.
Hey, how you doing, everybody?
He's another motorcyclist, and he is a little bit different from me.
Oh.
That's his side of the room. Look at that. This is my side of the room.
I don't hold that against him.
No, he doesn't. It's quite amazing. I appreciate that about him. Thing is that when we get ready in the morning, his heart beats faster than mine or something, because he's getting oxygen and nutrients to his whole body. And he's always done quicker than me. Like it drives me bananas, because I try to get things organized, but maybe I haven't really figured that out.
You can see why.
You can see the reasoning behind that. So, but he's getting all this done so quick and efficient. I'm just not that person, I guess. But, man, that is good. I'm still alive. All right.